In this video, I would like to give you an overview of the virtual machines that I'm using in my course setup. To start with, there is the Rocky machine. So it is running a Rocky 8.5 and currently Ansible 2.9. We don't really care about the subversion. The reason I am using the Rocky 8.5 is because I'm following along with supported Ansible versions in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And that is the same. It's also Ansible 2.9 in RHEL 8.5. At the moment that you are going to watch this video and a newer major release of Red Hat and Rocky is available, that should be okay as well. But in order to prepare you for that, I have a second control machine, which I'm mainly using while explaining collections, which is running Fedora 35 with Ansible 12 something. The major difference between these different environments is the use of collections, and I wanted to make sure that you understand everything involving collections that we are going to talk about in this video course. So even if I'm demonstrating on Rocky 8.5, it shouldn't matter when a newer version comes out. I analyzed all the changes and I made sure to record and provide the information in a compatible way. I just want to advise you, if you are watching this and RHEL 9 is your default environment, make sure you look up the lesson about collections. It's a pretty important lesson and it will tell you what the difference is all about. Then a managed environment. In the managed environment, I have more Rocky 8.5. So Rocky 8.5 is what we will find on Ansible 1 as well as Ansible 2. These are the host names that I'm using. I just want to keep it as simple as possible. Apart from Rocky 8.5, we are using some Ubuntu as well. That's an Ubuntu LTS, and just for your information, I'm using Workstation myself because it's fun to see that you can manage the workstation also. I need it 3 times just to manage Ubuntu, but also when we are talking about containers, Docker containers, and also in order to set up Kubernetes. Then there is a Windows machine involved. I'm using Windows 2019. Obviously, if you want to manage Windows, this is what you need. I have a CentOS 7 machine. Just to show you some older stuff. I think I need it on one occasion only. There is an ESXi machine for managing VMware. And then there is some Cisco switches that I'm using. And apart from that, we also have cloud, including AWS and Azure. AWS and Azure, of course, that should be easy. There's free accounts if you want to use all of them. And what I'm mainly doing in this course, I'm managing everything from the Rocky machine. So I'm going to set up inventory and all that other stuff that I'm going to tell you about to manage really all of these, including Fedora 35. And once you've set it all up, it is so easy to switch from Rocky 8.5 to Fedora 35. Just copy over the etc host, copy over the inventory, and you will be in the same environment. Now, I can imagine that you think, hey, I'm low on resources. I don't have all the hardware resources to run all of these. So what do I really need? Well, you really need the Rocky 8.5. You really need the Ansible 1 and 2, and also you really need the Ubuntu LTS. And for the rest of it, it really depends on which demos you want to follow along with. This is all you need if you want to follow along with everything.